Yo, what is going on, guys? My name is Jared. Wanted to bring a pretty quick video today, just because I kind of have a tip. I haven't made any content necessarily on Unreal Engine 5 yet, but it is something that I do a considerable amount of work in, and this is something that I had a lot of trouble with, being somebody who works with products where Unreal is, typically made for environments and stuff like that. So, like, I guess layering multiple materials together like you would have to do for a product label, like what I have on the screen right now, is a little tricky just because there's so many more settings in Unreal than there are in, say, other programs. So basically what we are looking at here is I have a product and its label is made up of two separate material layers. So there's, the base layer that has stuff like color and roughness and normal. And then I have to add a chrome layer on top of that. And so I just wanted to make a quick video about how to mix textures together in Unreal. And so let's just go ahead and get started. So basically to mix textures in Unreal, you won't really, for something like this at least, you won't really want to use like you won't actually make two separate materials and then use something like a blend material. You'll basically make two what are called material functions, which are like, I guess, kind of like actors or like pseudo materials, sort of, that just, you can make material attributes out of, and then you can blend them together using a regular material. But I'll go through exactly what that means. So here I have all the textures that I'll need. So I have roughness, normal, color, and then a map to drive the mix of the two materials. And so I'm just going to come in here so I can say organize. And I'm going to create a right click. I'm going to create a new material function, and I'm going to call this base underscore label. And then I'll make a second one of those, and I will call this Chrome. And so these are where I'm going to make both of my actual materials, so to speak. And to do that, we need to just take this output and create, or just drag it out and create a make material attributes node. And so now basically you have all the options to create a material. And so I'll start, I think I opened the base label. So we'll just bring in the color texture, the normal, and the roughness. And I'll plug obviously color into color, roughness into roughness here. And so you can see in our shader ball that we are already getting that going on. And then the normal, if I just plug normal straight in, it works, but it's like huge, and I need the ability to control that. So the best way that I've found to do that, I'll just hit tab and I'll add in a normal flatten, or I guess it's called flatten normal. And so I'll go RGB into normal and then result into normal. And then for flatness down here, we will do a scalar parameter. And I'll just call this normal flatness. Sure. And then you'll see like the high, like if you put this at 1, it's basically doing nothing. So I'm gonna put this at like 0.85 to be honest for my label. And so that's our base material done, and I'll just save that. So like if I were to just put the base material on our label at the moment, base. Hold on, maybe I have to save here. Oh, I forgot. It's a material function, so I can't even show you. Okay, so now we'll just do the exact same thing to make the Chrome, and we'll go make attribute or make material attributes, and then this one I'm just going to need a couple constants for because Chrome is easy. Constant, I'll just need a value of 1, which is white, essentially, and I'll plug this into base color and metallic. And so you can see it's chrome, but it's super rough. So I'll add in a second constant, and I will make it like 0.05. And I will put that into my roughness, and now we have chrome. You can go super detailed with these. You can add surface imperfections, all that. And so I will save this. And so then now all that is left to wrap this up is to create the actual creatine like label, or like your actual product label. So I'll just create a new material, and this is a full material, not a function, and I will call this creatine underscore label. I'll open it up, and we need to check down here. Use material attributes. It's actually right at the top. And so then once we have use material attributes checked, we'll just hit tab, and I'm going to search for simple. And we are just looking for matte layer blend simple. And this is basically our mixed material that you would kind of know from working in other programs. And now we can just call these two material functions together. So I have my base layer and my chrome layer. My base layer is obviously going to be the base, and then on top is the chrome. And now I just need an alpha to run these through. And so that's this just black and white map that, you know, just like any other map, the white layers show like essentially where whatever you're adding is going to show through. So in my case, the white in this texture is showing where the chrome is going to be added. And so I plug this into the alpha, and you can see now this main logo in the center is chrome as it should be. And I'll hit apply. And then if I just grab my thing over here, and I will go creatine label. Then as I skate around way too fast, you can see that we have chrome, and those two have been added together. So hopefully this video stayed under like 5 or 6 minutes. I just wanted it to be a simple tutorial on how to do that. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.